Hi guys, this is the part 2, okay? So it's your dart. I can't see. So let's turn the difficulty to 0. No monsters in here, okay? I can't see. Maybe you can see too. Okay. It's so dark here. Just dig around and mine some stones to create a furnace, okay? There you go. Okay. I can see it. Okay, maybe you can't. Okay. Okay. Let's mine stone. There you go. Okay. It's 8. My stone is 8. So let's make a stone. No, I'll not make a stone. I'll make a furnace to create a torch or cook. Okay. There you go. No. I need wood. Okay. I can't see. Can't see. Okay. There you go. Okay, I have oak log. Okay. So I have planks in here to smelt it and turn it into a coal, okay? So it's much more light. Okay, faster. There you go. And I'll make torch. There you go. And it's not dark. There.
Sila may nagpasulbi.
Okay. So you can see. Okay. There you go. Oh no. Okay. So let's back. Go back. Okay. So this is the part 2, guys, because there is there mm, there's no in there's no it's not enough to video my part 1, okay? So there you go. Okay. Okay. I fart, huh? Okay. So annoying. Okay. I'm gonna repair this. There you go. Why this keep lagging on? Okay. So let's not play that, okay? Oh, Secret Friday update? What the? What update is it? It is. Okay, I need to... There's no something wrong in this. Okay. Invert y-axis, left is split control, D-pad size, feedback, destroy, block, vibrate. No, there's no wrong with this key. I'm gonna log in. No, I'm not gonna log in, okay. Okay, let's play loop again. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay. So it's almost morning. And I'm just gonna wait. So tomorrow I decided to play Minecraft again because it's so enjoying. Okay, guys, I'm gonna change my mind. I decided to play. What I'm gonna play tomorrow? Just tell me in the comments, guys. So tomorrow, what I'm gonna play? Okay, so I'm gonna choose. So okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye! And please subscribe for more videos. Bye!
Di kabutar ka duwaga, papas.